On today's episode, we are going to take a quick look at Roblox. This stock is down over 27% from its highs. And today's episode, I want to take a quick look at the key metrics that they just released for the month of November. Things are looking pretty okay for Roblox. We're going to take a closer look at that. But I'm also going to take a quick look at some big companies that are coming into Roblox to create experiences. And that is something I'm very, very bullish about. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit the thumbs up, make sure to hit the subscribe button, check out the pinned comment where I have my free newsletter, my free Discord, and a lot of great investing links down there. So make sure to check that out. So let's get started. So even though Roblox is down over 27% from its all-time highs, if we take a look at year-to-date returns, this has done pretty well and it's up over 40%, right? So investors are super excited. We can see this pretty much drop right now. The stock is sitting at around $98. We'll take a closer look at valuations later on in a bit. So on December 15th of 2021, the company did give us their key metrics for November, and things are looking pretty good. Daily active users were 49.4 million users, and that was up 35% year over year. And just to kind of show the last time, besides earnings, they gave us earnings in October, late October, but they also gave us key metrics in August. I want to look at August because I believe August, especially here in the United States, is still during the summer season. So you would expect strong growth or strong numbers there. And we can see daily active users in August were 48.2 million. So right now we are still seeing an increase in daily active users for the company. And I believe it's because a lot of new companies are coming to build experiences on Roblox. And we'll talk a little bit about that later on. Hours engaged were 3.6 billion. That was up 32% year over year compared to when in August metrics, they were 4.0 billion. So what we're seeing an increase of number of users, but we're seeing a decrease in playtime. And I believe that makes sense because of that reason that I mentioned that, hey, during August, that's more like a summer season. So people have more time to play more games. November, I don't think you have much minus kind of Thanksgiving break here in North America, where you kind of increase Thanksgiving break. I think that's it, where people are able to play, but they're not able to play as much. So even though we can see that 32% year over year growth in hours engaged, estimated bookings for November of 2021 were about 208 to 211 million, up 22 to 24%. Again, we continue to see growth compared to same time last year, even though same time last year was kind of this COVID time frame when many have expected that would have been the peak for Roblox, but that is not the case. Bookings are a bit lower compared to August of 2021, so something to keep in mind out, right? With every good news, sometimes there are bad news. But before we begin, let's take a listen to today's sponsor. I want to thank The Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. The Motley Fool is a company that provides investing insight and stock recommendations for investors of all skill sets and risk levels. You guys know I love finding new investing tools and resources to help me scout out new growth stocks. And right now I have a discount for one of my favorite services the Fool offers. Through the Motley Fool Stock Advisor services, you get access to a ton of expert stock picks. Every month you'll get 2 new picks that are aimed at growing your wealth and to help you realize your financial goals. Stock Advisor's average stock picks have done amazing returns. If growing your money is something you'd like to do more of this year, you can visit fool.com/Jose Najarro or click on the link below for access to my special offer and decide if the stock advisor is right for you. Thanks again to the Motley Fool, and now onto today's video. And here's probably one of the worst news right now. Estimated average booking per daily active users was between $4.21 and $4.27. And this is down about 8 to 9% year over year. But for the upcoming quarter, which will include December, I believe December will have a lot and high average booking per daily active users. As most kids, everybody will be collecting gift cards, right? They will be collecting those gift cards for Roblox, the currency, and we will see a spending increase in Roblox. So I'm not a shareholder in Roblox, but this is a stock that I really want to get into. So if we take a look, overall, metrics look good, right? I'm really, really excited about the metrics. But what I'm more excited about Roblox is the amount of companies that are coming to create experiences on this platform. For example, on December 8th of 2021, Ralph Lauren creates a holiday theme experience on Roblox. And you can see here from Roblox website, a lot of people are wearing a lot of polo swag, a lot of polo clothes, hats, some great polo products from Ralph Lauren, Polo, and all the other brands that they hit. And obviously consumers or players are able to get some of these strips for free, but they will also be able to purchase some of this. So it is insane how the fashion industry is pushing into Roblox so fast. I think that is pretty impressive in a bullish case. Another one on December 16th of 2021, there have been reports that Forever 21 has also created their own kind of experience in the Roblox world. I've kind of seen reviews at the moment and it's kind of on the negative side, but still, again, you're continuing to see those real life clothing brands come into Roblox, and I think that's a bullish sentiment. So now let's just take a quick look at valuations. In forms of technicals, Roblox right now sitting at $97.88. I really like it. I do believe those low to mid 90s are a great time to kind of add and build some form of base position. So I have to do some thinking and see if, hey, this is one I wouldn't mind adding to right now, but it will be more of a dollar cost average if I do. Things to keep in mind of, right, EV to EBITDA forward ratio for Roblox is pretty high, 83.58. Price to sales ratio forward 1 year is also pretty high at 16.84. So valuation can still be high compared to where most of the market is right now, but this is a company that's growing at crazy levels, positive in cash flow from operations, and also has a healthy balance sheet. So there is a reason for that valuation. The question is, how offset is it from the true valuation? So I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Take care, have a good day, and see you next time.